Hello Jim, Tech Post, new product in from Tronsmart. It's a BangMIni portable party speaker, and it's quite a big enough speaker, as you can see. Ultimate stereo audio, handy to carry, and IPX6 waterproof. So we've got different colour lighting schemes there, as you can see. So we'll be checking them out. And on the back, we have got Sound Pulse Audio IPX6 waterproof, 15 hours of playtime. Same as NFC connection, built-in power bank as well. Pretty cool, and stereo pairing, so pretty nice indeed. That's pretty much it there. And on this side it just has a picture of the speaker itself. Right, let's open her up and see what it looks like in the flesh, as they say. So you do get a carry handle up on top as well, which is handy. Okay, so in the box you've got your BangMIni speaker manual. You've got your cable. So you've got your 3.5mm and you've got your USB-A, USB-C cables there for connections. And here is the speaker itself. So we've got Tronsmart up on top. All your controls, Tronsmart logo. Nice fibery kind of feel to the material here on the front. You have an NFC logo there as well. Your radiators either side. Rubber feet on the bottom. And on the back we have got BangMIni. And behind this part, which is nice and thick, as you can see, you've got SD card capability there. That's nice to see. You've got USB-C, your aux in, and standard USB-A. So we're going to take it off, test it out, come back with some sound samples, let you hear what it's like. So stay tuned after the break for more of that. Okay, so we're back with the Tronsmart BangMIni speaker. First off, it's not on their app. We've just checked it out. We've tested it out for a couple of hours today. So you've got, again, to remember the controls, you're fully charged. You've got your power here. You've got your charging indicator here, and you've got your skip, reverse, tracks, and volume up and down and all here. And this is your Sound Pulse EQ, and you can pair with another option here as well. And this button here does the light switch, so you can change the colour of the lights when the music is going. So let's have a listen to some sound samples now and give you an idea of what it sounds like. So I'm just going to put on a bit more light. I can find my plug. So when you connect, you'll have your lights here on the side, and you know what we'll actually do? We'll make it a bit darker so it'll look better. So you can see there, you can change the lighting effects there, like so. And just say it's got a nice solid housing as well, which is nice, and it's nice solid speaker, so I'm not going to move or budge. Right, let's go on to the sound samples. So this is the EQ. You'll see this. So you'll see that when the EQ changes, this little light will come on here just to let you know what that is. Cool. So let's check it out. Hello, to the tech buzz. We've got a new speaker in, and it's the Tronsmart Studio.
You know that sound.
Cool. So let's check it out. And in the box, you're going to get this nice piece of paper on top. It's really cool. So that's just a sample there of the sound as well as someone talking, and you can hear the difference with the sound pulse on. So this light will be on when it's on, and it's off when it's off there. This light can change the configuration of the colour of the light as well, as you're seeing, and it pulsates when it's going as well. You can hear that there's some bass off it, super loud and crystal clear, and also no muffling at max volume, which is good. And it's a simple to use panel up top here. You've got the skip and reverse tracks, so you can do your calls, volume up and down, all that kind of stuff is there by a simple tap like so, and you'll get a little sound like that. When you power it off, you'll get that sound, and when you're powering it up, you'll get that sound there. And that's really about it. You heard it for yourself. It is super impressive and I like it. So again, Tronsmart branding here, up front and front, solid build. Super easy to use, panel up top, rubber foot on the bottom. It's not going to move, it's nice and weighty and very sturdy. And you've got these passive radiators side here, as you can see, which change colours, which is excellent. And you can just use that to change the tones and effects there, whichever suit yourself. And you've seen how they work, they pulsate when the music is going, which is excellent. So that wraps it up for the Tronsmart BangMIni portable party speaker. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and once again thanks to Tronsmart for sending this over to check out. And check out all our other products we reviewed up on site and techbuzzorn.com. We pretty much reviewed all our products, and do have a look at them. We'll see you soon.